What's up, everyone? This is Ratgirl, and you're back with an episode of Let's Test This Mold. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. We've done it maybe a handful of times, and it's what's popular on the internet. It's ASMR. So there's not going to be talking in this video. It's just going to be mixing. We're going to make a simple ashtray that we found online, and it's a pretty cool mold. Mr. Concrete found it and gave it over to me and said, you should make something cool, and why not? So it's an ashtray. It's got some edges here, and it looks like a pretty good mold. You can tell when you flip it around. Yeah, we're gonna do a solid casting, and we're gonna do ASMR. I'm not gonna talk. You're gonna listen to the beautiful sounds of the crunch of the concrete. Let's make this ashtray. Hey again everyone, I'm back with a demold and you're watching an ASMR video. And so here is the nice crunch you're waiting for. And that was it. It turned out perfect. It's actually been a little bit hard to be quiet because this was a perfect pour. And as you can see, sometimes when you get a new silicone mold, it leaves a nice shine. I don't even have to seal this necessarily, but I will because it will be served as an ashtray along the line in the near future. So it will have to be cleaned. Therefore, I need to seal it to protect the concrete. But there's just one void right here. That's it. Everything else is perfect. So thank you for watching the ASMR video making this concrete ashtray. Check out our website, concreteconcrete.com, and our YouTube channel for more videos. There's a few ASMR ones down the line, but a lot of talking because we share a lot of information on how to work with this material. See you, everyone.